we will take a look at Augment Code today, right? And basically this is an agent, and it allows you to basically do the code review, do variety of other reviews, and also writes your code for you. And you can use around like 24K or so. This is one of the legacy plan that I have running, and each month I get like these many credits to test out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try its command line interface, right? So to do that, I'm going to first open a folder where I have existing project, right? Here I will be setting up the command line version of Augment Code, and for that I will use this command npm install -g augment code Auggie. So that's their agent. So I'll be pasting the command here, and I'm on Windows, so this is PowerShell terminal, and it will begin the global install of Auggie. So that's their command line interface. So if you check on their official site, you will notice it does your code review, it has interactive mode, it also does the automation, and sub agents can do multiple works. Apart from that, MCP support, which is good thing. Then there is also task manager to do the task one after another. We will use this particularly while testing this command line interface. So let me minimize this and wait for this to finish. And once setup, you can see it will tell you that, right? Now if we take a look at the docs, you will notice that it will tell you to basically run the Auggie, right? So we will start with Auggie CLI, right? Here you can see we have done our setup. Next is Auggie login, so that it will point to our account here, right? So let's go and do that. And here you can see it will take you to login. Okay, it will sign in and it will tell you that authentication is successful. You can close the window and go back to your command line, where you can see it will tell you welcome to Augment Code. You can see things that are meant to be checked before we use it. So basically just hit enter and move to next line. Here you can see new lines input, attach images, double dash image flag when you drop the image, or part to image. So next being hit enter will tell you how to enhance the prompt, and there is ask mode with /. Then custom commands and creating tasks. So we will be making use of tasks, right? And that's it. So here you can see choose an option, always index this workspace, unlock full workspace understanding, or you can just go with one of the options, keep indexing for this session, right? I will move to next part. Now it will let me go to the project, and as you can see, only issue is it shows the email as well as the directory name. So that's kind of privacy issue. I could hide, but I'm going to show it anyway just to put my point across. Right now, looking at the command line interface, here you can see, let's start with ask, right? I want you to code review this project and then create a list of tasks to be performed to finish this outstanding pending tasks, right? And we can actually first go with the ask and then move to tasks, right? So hopefully I didn't put much space. Okay, so slash and then ask. This is good enough, so I will hit enter and let's see what it says. So I'm basically asking it to do the code review. In code review mode, you can see do the code review of this project, and it will start understanding the project. From here onwards, it will come up with the list where it will kind of understand what this is about and what needs to be done to finish this particular project. Right, so now you can see it has come up with the review, and we didn't explicitly mention where to save this review, so we will say save this review as a Auggie review.html, right, and make it minimal CSS readable, right, and so we can go ahead and basically get all this review in HTML file. So after this I will run the /tasks, right, so it says I am currently in ask mode, which restricts me from creating modifying files. I will provide complete HTML so you can write. So it seems like it needs swapping, right, so we need to get all this and wait for it to save, right. So here you can see everything is being done. Meanwhile, I can also show you amount of credits we have burned while making this query, considering I'm just using it for just review. You can see 3 to 4,000 are already used. So let it finish the HTML code. I will come out of the ask mode using the escape button, and then I will go to the mode where it is supposed to edit the files. Right, so once this is done, what I can do is basically I will come out of ask mode. You can see the code that I specifically mentioned. I want it saved in the file Auggie-review HTML. So it is trying to summarize the entire chat, which is not what I expected. I only wanted the code in the chat with the file, right, as file, right. So once that is saved, our task is done, but we consume a lot of, right, as you can see we consume a lot of requests, so we need to be thoughtful when it comes to making the requests, right. So next time you ask for a code review, make sure to ask for saving the file in the specific location with the extension of your choice. It could be .m, .md or .html, whichever works for you, right. So what I will do is I will check the folder. Here you can see the file is created and stored as well, right. So going back to our command line, here you can see it is now working for the rest of the instruction, which I didn't ask for, but let's take a look at the file anyway. Okay, so this is decent. We have half-done features for assessment here, so let's wait for it to keep adding. So it must be in between work, so it is okay trying to edit with all the 130 additions. So it will take its time and it will give us the final result after that, right. So now you see our file is ready, so I will try to open this and everything should be here, all the review parts explaining what needs fixing. So I will ask this to basically create, first read the Auggie/review HTML, and then create list of tasks to be done to improve for the review for this project, right. So we wanted to read the review file and create the task to be done, right? Save the tasks in tasks.html with some minimal CSS for viewing, right? So we are good to go, right? Considering we are in edit mode right now, it will read our review file, then create list of tasks to be done to improve for our review for this project. Save the tasks in task.html with some minimal CSS for viewing. Then the next part would be basically getting the task completed with the help of agent, right? We are using Opus 4.7, so it will consume some amount of credits while it is working. Right, so now we created the task file as well. So if we check the task file, it is created as well with the priority, right? So every time the file is improved or fixed, you can say, with the tasks, then it will have check mark, right? So I like the way this functionality is added in the task file, right? So based on the priority, we can give the agent to finish these tasks. So we can further ask Auggie command line to finish these tasks, right? To note that considering we are making use of Opus, it will consume a lot of credits there, right? So here you can see all the features when you type in / like about, which will return the current information of system it is running on, then account information, then workspace, then agents, right? Then ask, then some features like context, copy, editor, exit, feedback, hook, right? And then it goes to hooks, image, MCP, and then models, right? So we can even check the model part. Here you can see Opus is listed. You can move to any other model like Kimi K2, Haiku, Opus, Sonnet, and so on, right? So let's go with something simple like Kimi K2.6 at lower cost, and then from here onwards you can edit for a lot cheaper cost and less amounts of credits will be consumed. So this is basically the how Augment Code works and does your work. So I gave you one example with my project, and this is the Auggie command line interface.